So we can protect ourselves against cold cough or any respiratory disorders. So today I have another one wonderful combination. So I am going to discuss today about one beautiful combination for a winter pneumonia, respiratory tract infection, or any other UTI means or respiratory tract infection related issues. In that combination, the main ingredient is called Talisapatra. If you any aware about this, called Talisapatra. Talisapatra is a very important, very effective, and very renowned Ayurvedic patra or plant for cold cough, flu, respiratory tract infection as a bronchodilator. So, what is Talispatra means? In a Latin name or the family called Abies webiana is called Talisapatra. Its leaves are used in various Ayurvedic preparation, as I said, used for respiratory disease. Talisadi Churana, the famous Ayurvedic formulation, contains Talisapatra as a main ingredient. Abies webiana is botanical name given to Talisapatra. So what is Abies webiana in English? So we are going to discuss today for Talisapatra, and then that Talisapatra which other ingredients can mix with it and make a Talisadi Churana. And how this Talisadi Churana is very, very useful in this coming cold weather. So its background called Abies webiana, commonly known as Talisapatra in Bengali and Hindi. That's amazing, beautiful languages. Bengali is called Talisapatra. Talisapatram in script. And Indian silver fir in English. Indian silver fir. This is a large, tall, evergreen tree actually occurring in Himalayan region from Kashmir to Assam in India. It comes under the family, which is the family of this Talisapatra? Pineaceae. That is, this is the family of this Talisapatra. But main thing, this Talisapatra is a very, very, very main ingredient which I am going to discuss with you today, called Talisadi Churana. Talis Adi Churana. So Talis plus certain things inside. Churana means powder. So I am going to discuss this Talisadi Churana, how we have to make it. Generally, what are the basic doses, when and where we have to use it. That's I am going to discuss with you. So main thing, what is Talisadi Churana used for? Very commonly, look, we discussed first Tulsi, we discussed Ashwagandha, we have discussed about Archi, we have discussed about Jaydeep, and now today we are going to discuss about Talisadi Churana. But I am going to discuss combination, so it's called Churana. So, imbued with bronchodilator, expectorant, anti-inflammatory, and mucolytic. Another good thing, antimicrobial and carminative properties. So Talisadi Churana is extensively used for treating and managing conditions like whooping cough, sore throat, cold, asthma. Another good indication, gastritis, irritable bowel syndrome called itis, and loss of appetite. So Talisadi Churana is not just for our respiratory tract infection or respiratory related problems. It is a very, very useful combination for our indigestion, gastritis, and loss of appetite as well. So aruchi, adman, these are the Sanskrit words for our ajirna in our digestive disorders. So what is benefit of talisadi? So talisadi aids in specifying diseases related to vata and kapha, as we discussing about vata and kapha diseases in this coming winter season. It acts as an extremely useful in Ayurvedic formulation in managing digestive disorders, as it is helpful for control vomiting, provides relief in abdominal pain, sprue as well. In Sanskrit, sprue we call it a grahani. So sometimes some people has to, after eating or after any kind of food, they have to immediately go for a open the bowel. We call it grahani. That is called duodenum. So duodenum, there is a swell and there is a little infection or some other indigestive disorders. So after having food, someone has to go immediately for evacuating your bowel. So provides relief in abdominal pain as well, and effective in controlling gastritis and bloating. Gastritis and bloating. So this is the very, very useful combination. Now people are a little bit confusing about difference between Sitopaladi Churna and Talisadi Churna. There is another called very beautiful Churna. We will discuss whenever I got chance, called Sitopaladi, Sit Upal Adi. That's why I call Sitopaladi. And there's another good ingredients in that Sitopaladi Churna. But today we are going to discuss about Talisadi Churna. So what is the difference between Sitopaladi Churna and Talisadi Churna? So productive cough, the amount of Vansalochana is another one beautiful plant medicine. Lochana, Vansalochana is from Vansa. In Sitopaladi Churna is 25.8%. And in Talisadi, Vansalochana is 10.4%. So Vansalochana is a very useful in relieving productive cough. Hence, when compared between these two, Sitopaladi is more useful in a productive cough. So these are the difference between Talisadi Churna and Sitopaladi Churna. Now, what is the indication of Talisadi Churna? It is useful in Ayurvedic treatment for cough, as very, very typical and very basic cough, cold, asthma, bronchitis, fever, and some abdominal disorders like vomiting, diarrhea, bloating, vomiting, and chest aches and anemia, sleep, or spleen diseases as well. It is used to control wheezing due to asthma or allergy. Because somebody has asthma attack or somebody has strong allergy, they are wheezing. You can, if you auscultate them with a stethoscope, you can hear certain sound wheezing, or without auscultation or without somebody has a strong asthmatic attack, you can hear from distance as well. That's called wheezing. Alcohol consumption. So Talisadi Churna is advised for intake before wine consumption. Ideally, we should not drink, but those who are drinking, Talisadi Churnam is advised for intake before wine consumption. That's another debating topic. If you have a chance, we will discuss that. So can we take Talisadi Churna daily? That's another question. So in infection, the digestive fire, so dose is 2 gram to 3 gram to be used twice a daily with honey or water. And always remember, honey, try to use a very organic, a bit expensive honey. It's very pure. And water or warm water. Some people are taking this Talisadi Churna with warm water, honey, and some people are taking with a ghee as well. Purified butter milk called ghee, G-H-E-E. Pure organic cow ghee. When should I take Talisadi Churnam? Some people ask me, doctor, what is the best time or when I should take Talisadi Churnam? So Talisadi Churna you can take as an appetizer and may be helpful in digestion. So some people has a digestive disorders or digestive fire is not working properly or bit low, we call it mandagni. So for that, if you want to improve digestive power or digestive system, you have to use Talisadi Churna as appetizer. It may also be used in respiratory and stomach disorders. I told you before that what is the English name for Tinospora, for Talisadi, or Talispatram. So Bengali name is Talispatram, English name is Himalayan silver fir. Now most important for somebody ask what are side effects of Talisadi Churna? Generally there is no side effects. But always I told everyone, if you are pregnant, if you have a small child, if you are feeding babies, then ask your Vaidya, means your Ayurvedic practitioner. Before any advice, before know your constitution, before you need to know, because certain ingredients are maybe not good for pregnant woman or feeding babies. So please ask or consult your Ayurvedic consultant. Again and again, same question is Talisadi Churna is good for cough? Of course it is. But acute and chronic cold and cough, Talisadi Churna or Talisapatram Churnam stimulate taste buds. Our taste buds stimulates our taste buds and encourages the secretion of digestive juices. We call it saliva or enzymes. Effective in treating loss of appetite and tastelessness. So sometimes we lost our taste buds. We can't taste anything. We can't digest properly. We can't secrete saliva or any digestive enzyme properly. So this Talisadi Churna we can use as an appetizer. Fantastic. Now, what are the main? Everybody has this question. What is the Talisadi Churna powder? So what are the combination? What is another ingredients in this Talisadi Churnam? So they call it Talisadi Churna is traditional Ayurvedic blend containing, remember this, Talisadi leaves, ginger root, long pepper, black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, solution, and sometimes sugar candy. Some people are using sugar candy, some people are. But main ingredients are in Talisadi Churnam is Talisadi leaf, obviously, ginger root, long pepper, black pepper, cardamom, and cinnamon. And one solochana is very important. It's a white color ingredients called solochana. So these are the main ingredients in this Talisadi Churnam. So ginger root, long pepper, piper in they call it piper longum, black pepper called piper nigrum, one solochana called bambus, cardamom means Aletria cardamomum, cinnamon means cinnamon, xylenicum, and sugar cane. Sometimes this traditional Ayurvedic recipe contain added sugar. How to take it, or what are the use, or what are the dose? What is the dose? That also depends on your age, other medical condition. Generally, but 1 or 2 teaspoons with honey once or twice a daily, but do not extend. So please consult your Ayurvedic consultant. Again, combats cough and cold. It is also highly effective in treating asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis, and other respiratory illnesses. For that, what are those? So take 1 or 3 grams of this powder along with honey in case of productive cough, and clarified butter or ghee. I told you before that with the ghee in case if it is a dry cough, with the ghee, it is a very, very useful. It's expectorant, bronchodilating, or productive cough with the honey. Again and again, for the abdominal discomfort. So, Thalisadi Churna is treatment for the indigestion, gastritis, irritable bowel syndrome as well, loss of appetite. It's very, very useful combination called Thalisadi Churna. So, not just for respiratory tract infection or respiratory tract problems, we can use our digestive system problem as well. Now, what is the background? Background, I told you before, that is whole over Himalayas and Kashmir and tropics. And again, if you want to note down, Talisapatra, Adrak, Pipali, black pepper, one salochan, dalachini, and a green cardamom, and a misri. These are the combination of this Talisadi Churnam. So basically, if those who are suffering with the Vata and Kapha type of problems, if Vata is aggravated or elevated, Kapha is aggravated or aggravated, and we may be suffer with this kind of abdominal disorders or respiratory disorders, this one of the combination called Talisadi Churna, Sitosadi Churna, Vansalochana Churna, Surunga Sama. Too many Tribhuvan Kirti Ras, too many beautiful combinations and beautiful medications in these our Ayurvedic Shastras, especially for the winter season. Then some people add certain different things, depends on other Vata Kapha type of problems. So this is a very beautiful combination called Talisadi Churna. I think I'm conclude my topic today. So Talisapatra combination with the Talisadi Churna, respiratory tract infection or respiratory problems related issues, we can use Talisadi Churna, or digestive system issues like gastritis, indigestion, loss of appetite, we can use Talisadi Churna as well. So thank you very much. Today I am concluding my session today. If any wants to ask any question, still I have 10 minutes. Please ask me. I will try my best to give your answer.